When soldering dual inline packages, it's very common to have excess solder and have solder bridging like this. So there are few ways to clear out solder bridging. One method is using an iron with a clean tip, and the second method is using an solder wick. Before we start to clean the solder bridge, it is better to apply solder flux. And I'm going to squeeze some solder flux into the solder bridge. I'm going to take my solder iron, and before we start, I'm going to make sure that the solder tip is clean. So I'm going to clean the tip using the brass sponge, and note that I didn't use solder to tin the tip. And with the heated solder iron, I'm going to gently touch the solder bridge, and you can see the solder come out of the solder bridge and stick into the solder iron tip. So for the second solder bridge, you can see that this method is not working. So I'm going to use a solder wick. I'm going to place the solder wick alongside the solder bridge, and I'm going to press the solder wick against the solder bridge using the solder tip, and I'm going to heat the solder. And you can see that the solder attached itself to the solder wick, and now our solder bridge is gone and our soldering looks nice and clean.